Instagram has 1 billion active monthly users. 500 million active daily users. 49.7% are male. 50.3% are female. 71% of Instagram users are under the age of 35. 59% 18 to 29-year-olds. 33% 30 to 49-year-olds. 32% of all internet users are on Instagram. 60% of Instagram users log in daily. Countries with the most Instagram users. The US, 121 million. India, 71 million. Brazil, 64 million. Instagram users spend an average of 53 minutes online per day. $500 million Instagram accounts use Instagram stories every day. Instagram users like over 4.2 billion posts per day. Instagrammers share over 100 million posts per day. Instagram users engage more on weekdays, with Tuesday and Thursday having the most engagement. Posts with at least one hashtag gain 12.6% more engagement. Love, Instagood, me, cute, and follow. Posts with a location receive 79% more engagement. Photos generate 36% more likes than video content. Engagement with brands on Instagram is at least 10 times higher than any other social platform. There are 25 million business profiles on Instagram. %80 of users follow a business account on Instagram. %83 of users discover new products and services on Instagram. Instagram helps 80% of Instagrammers decide whether to buy a product or service. Over 2 million advertisers worldwide use Instagram. More than 200 million Instagram users visit at least one business profile per day.